We have to train people on the methodology we developed. Then only they will align with us. Otherwise, our approach is something and they will be practicing something else. So Michael, Harry and team, they develop different belt level, and each and every level requires a specific amount of knowledge and skill in participating in Six Sigma project, right? And white belt is basic level. It is nothing but basic understanding about quality and Six Sigma principles. You will, once you become a white belt, you will start appreciating the efforts put in by the quality department. You can see in many companies, everybody will be fighting with the quality department. Why? Because the quality department means they will be finding the problems, and production department will obviously have a lot of disagreement with the quality department. But the moment you become a white belt, you will understand why the quality department is seriously trying to ensure quality in all that the company is producing, right? Be it a product or be it a sub-assembly or be it whatever a small task they are doing. Quality is at most importance, and there will be a lot of quality assurance activities, quality control activities, quality planning activities, and all that they will be doing. You will simply become a supporter of all these improvement initiatives, and that's then you are called a white belt. At least if you can't even give your moral support to improve the quality in your offerings, it becomes very challenging in such organization to improve the quality of the products and services. So in my opinion, every single employee in any company should be at least a white belt. At least at the mindset level, you become the supporter of quality initiative or Six Sigma initiative. But being a white belt is not sufficient for you to participate in a project. So to participate in a project, you must graduate to the next level, and the immediate next level is yellow belt. And yellow belt will learn the quality control tools, and he will be familiarized with the DMAC methodology. Importantly, he will be taught about the importance of data-driven decision making. So if you are doing a project in your company, whenever you want to collect data, make sure you involve yellow belts to collect the data, or from whomsoever you receive the data, make sure that person is an yellow belt. He may be in some other department, but you can involve him in your project only he is yellow belt, because he only understands the importance of data he is providing to you. If the person who is providing you the data doesn't understand what you are going to do with the data, he can give an irrelevant data. He can give you the data with a lot of error. If the data contains a lot of error, it is unworthy for any analysis. Instead of understanding the problem, you will misunderstand the problem. If you misunderstand the problem, how will you solve it? So an yellow belt is someone who can help the project team in data collection, data visualization, right? But he will play the role of supporting the team. And of course, very small projects not requiring much analysis, and yellow belt can work on it effectively. However, to participate in any project that requires a detailed analysis, you need to be a green belt. As a green belt, you will not only work effectively in the project, you will also be able to lead projects. You can lead a small team of members, and you can guide them, and you can actually deliver results. But again, there is a limitation. You can lead only green belt project. You can't lead every project. So what is the difference of a green belt project from, let's say, a black belt project? A green belt project is one which will have the scope limited to a specific department. The problem which you are trying to solve, the scope is limited to the specific department. It can be a problem of your production, or it can be a problem in the assembly shop, or it can be a problem in the warehouse, or it can be a problem in sales. So the problem scope should be defined within the specific department, right? If multiple departments are involved, That is not the job of a green belt, and such projects will be dealt by the next level of professionals, right? Who are called black belts in Six Sigma. So a black belt is one who will handle complex projects, having the scope, no, beyond the department you are working, because the problem impact, no, is beyond the boundaries. So we call it cross functional project. So that will be dealt by black belts. And generally, in companies practicing Six Sigma, green belts are 1 in 100. When I say green belts are 1 in 100, black belts are 1 in 200. Position yourself as a green belt or a black belt in your company. That means, you will clearly, differentiating you from the average professionals. The moment you say you are a green belt, you are a black belt, that immediately reflects your commitment towards helping your organization to grow, right, in the strategic direction. And it's not the end. You have one more level called master black belt. The master black belt is a kind of internal consultant who will be working closely with the top management, who will train and mentor the other black belts and green belts in the company. And it is the master black belt who will develop the KPIs and metrics for the whole organization, and to ensure the organization moves in the correct direction. If you position yourself as a green belt, as a black belt, or as a master black belt in your company, your position, your responsibility, and your compensation and your growth will definitely be way beyond your imagination. You will get multiple offers always coming to you. A lot of responsibilities will come to you, and you will quickly see yourself as a leader. To become a leader in an organization, you don't have to wait till the age of retirement. Plan it, no, and then achieve it within next 2 to 3 years. It's possible if you equip you with appropriate knowledge of problem solving and decision making. And then always in any Six Sigma project, there are two more roles required. One is project sponsor, another one is project champion. Who is the project sponsor? One who can approve the project. Who is the project champion? One who can allocate the resources to you, to the project team. One who can remove the roadblock from time to time. Because doing a project in an organization is not that easy. Things will not fall in line as you think. There'll be a lot of barriers, a lot of roadblocks. So these kind of infrastructure is very, very important. Project leader, project team member, and then assisting yellow bells, and then project champion, project sponsor. If you have this infrastructure, if you create this kind of infrastructure, every project can lead to a success, and then results will fall in line as per the timelines and the milestones fixed by the project team. So this is called, Six Sigma hierarchy. And these are the modules generally will be taught to at an yellow belt level. This is generally 8 to 10 hours of training program, formal training program. The basics of quality, Six Sigma, DMAG methodology, and little bit of stuff about the data will be taught, and you become a yellow belt. But you already know you need to be a green belt to work in a project. So in addition to the yellow belt modules, there are a few more modules which will equip you fully. Six Sigma is a 5-phase methodology: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. You will be trained on all the 5 phases: significance, steps, tools, techniques, deliverables. You will have an absolute clarity. What is to be done first and what is to be done next? What are you expected to deliver to the organization when you are on a project mode? You will have all the clarity, and a lot of statistical tools and techniques you will be learning. You don't have to be mathematics savvy to learn all these things. Even if you are a hater of mathematics, if you are a hater of statistics, you will still love learning the maths and stats by joining our program, and you will get a feel of it when you attend tomorrow's session. So don't worry about all the tools here, maybe statistical tools, but these are very powerful, very, very easier All of you will become an expert. And the advanced level, the black belt level, advanced statistical tools and techniques you will be learning. As a result, you will be able to handle even a cross-functional project, even a complex projects. If you solve a cross-functional projects, the benefits, project benefits will be multifold, and your growth will also, you will become unstoppable. All right.